Phylum Hemichordata, it consists of marine worms, share characteristics with echinoderms and chordates. Deuterostomes, that means radial cleavage is present in embryonic stages. Pharyngeal gill slits, gills are present in pharynx. Some have dorsal hollow nerve cord. Phylum Hemichordata, three body regions, proboscis, collar and trunk are present. Deuterostomes, gill slits, open circulatory system, dorsal and ventral nerve cord. Example, acorn worms. Examples of hemichorda: Belenoglossus, Saccoglossus. Characteristic of chordates: it present notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord, pharyngeal gill slits, and blocks of muscles are present. This is a notochord, and this is dorsal hollow nerve cord. Notochord will develop into spinal cord, and nerve cord into spine. Phylum Chordata consists of subphylum Urochordata, which includes tunicates. Subphylum Cephalochordata consists of lancets. Subphylum Vertebrata consists of anathans, fish, sharks, tetrapods. Urochordates have a notochord that extends from just behind the head to the tail. Urochordata means tail cord. Cord is present only in the tail region. There are three classes within this subphylum: Acidiacea, Thalliacea, and Larvaceae. Urochordates. Acidia, a kind of urochordate. Cephalochordata lancelets get their names from their blade-like shape, as larvae alternate between swimming upwards and passively sinking to eat plankton. After metamorphosis into adults, they burrow into the sand and leave their head exposed to filter in food. Lancet. This is a lancet. Cephalochordata, here notochord is present in head region. Vertebrates, these are the animals with backbone. Class species: aquatic animals with a streamlined body, narrow at both ends, swim with the help of fins, body covered with scales, breathe through gills. Example, almost all fish like rohu, catla, electric ray, etc. Bony versus cartilaginous fishes. Bony and cartilaginous fish differ not only in their gill and endoskeletal structure, but also in their response to meeting the challenges of an aquatic existence. In bony fishes, gill is covered by operculum, whereas in cartilaginous fishes, gill slits are not covered by operculum. Example, shark is given. Cartilaginous fishes are called chondrichthyes, means cartilage fish, include sharks, rays, skates, sawfishes, and chimeras. These are cartilaginous fishes. Electric ray, sharks. Characteristic of amphibians. Amphibians consist of frogs, salamanders, newts, and caecilians. Amphibians share 5 key characteristics. Legs are present, lungs are present, double loop circulation, a partially divided heart, that is 3-chambered heart, cutaneous respiration, a respiration through skin. These characteristics allow amphibians to thrive both on land and in water. Types of amphibians: frog, caecilian, toads, newt, salamander. Reptilia, they are ectothermic animals, cold-blooded, have lungs throughout their lives. Example, snakes, lizards, turtles, crocodiles, alligators. Lizards, snakes, turtles, tortoises. Types of reptiles: turtle, tortoise, chameleon, gecko, lizard, crocodile, skink, snake. Class A's characteristic of all birds. They are endothermic vertebrates. They have feathers. They are four-chambered hearts. Bones are lightweight and usually hollow. Forelimbs are modified as wings. They lay calcium-covered eggs, cladoic eggs. Pelvis is fused together. Use different barn owl, rooster, eagle, turkey, woodpecker, hen, herringull, wood duck, penguin, vulture, sparrow, hummingbird, peacock, crow, pigeon, parrot, ostrich, goose, falcon, swan. General characteristics of class Mammalia: these animals are warm-blooded, that is homeothermic animals, hairy, and have mammary or milk producing glands, so they are called mammals. They are the only animals which nourish their young ones with milk. These are mammals. Paichilotherms are the animals which have a variable body temperature. Homeotherms have a stable body temperature. Endotherms, principal source of body heat is body's metabolism, erroneously called warm-blooded, example birds and mammals. Ectotherms are principal source of body heat is from environment, erroneously called cold-blooded. Here in endotherms, body temperature is constant. In ectotherms, body temperature is variable according to the environment and environment. Everything else with a few exceptions. Heart's anatomy: fish has a two-chambered heart. Amphibians have three-chambered heart. Reptiles have four-chambered heart in the case of crocodiles, whereas others have three-chambered with partially divided fourth chamber. Birds and mammals have completely divided four-chambered hearts. So fish two-chambered, amphibia three-chambered, reptilia three-chambered with a partially divided fourth chamber, bird and mammals four-chambered hearts.